Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, your home for everything luxurious, fast, and seaworthy. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting vessels in the world of sport fishing and luxury cruising, the Hatteras GT65 Carolina. Whether you're a serious angler, a performance enthusiast, or someone who just appreciates beautiful engineering on water, this yacht is going to impress you from every angle. So grab a seat, relax, and join me as we explore the power, precision, and pure craftsmanship of the GT65 Carolina. Let's get started. The Hatteras GT65 Carolina is a 65-foot sport fishing yacht that represents the fusion of traditional Carolina-style design and cutting-edge performance technology. Built with the serious offshore angler in mind, this yacht offers a tournament-ready platform without sacrificing the luxury and comfort that Hatteras has long been known for. One of the standout aspects of the GT65 is its resin-infused hull and stringer system. This construction method not only makes the vessel stronger and more durable, but it also significantly reduces weight, improving speed, fuel efficiency, and maneuverability. The yacht's beam measures an impressive 20 feet, giving it a broad stance that increases stability while offering a generous amount of interior volume. It comes powered by twin Cat C32A engines producing up to 1,900 horsepower each, giving it incredible torque and speed capabilities out on open waters. With a fuel capacity of over 1,900 gallons, this yacht is ready for long hauls without frequent refueling stops. Exactly what you want on deep-sea fishing expeditions. From the moment you lay eyes on the GT65 Carolina, it's clear this isn't just another sportfish boat. The yacht maintains that unmistakable Carolina flair at the bow, which gives it both aesthetic appeal and functional performance, helping it slice cleanly through choppy waters. The clean, aggressive lines and sheer hull sides give off a muscular yet refined presence that demands attention at the marina or out at sea. At the helm station, you'll find a sleek flybridge that integrates modern tech and traditional craftsmanship. Equipped with touchscreen displays, precision controls, and custom helm chairs, it delivers an aviation-style experience to captains who love control and clarity. The optional enclosed bridge version offers all-season comfort while still retaining open-air visibility with panoramic windows. And let's not forget the massive outriggers that immediately mark this vessel as a tournament-class sportfisher. Whether trolling offshore or anchored near a reef, the GT65 is rigged and ready for serious game fishing. Step inside, and the GT65's interior tells a completely different story, one of modern luxury, intelligent design, and attention to detail. The main salon is where Hatteras has really outdone itself. You're greeted by warm wood finishes, plush leather lounges, and expansive windows that flood the space with natural light. It's elegant yet inviting, with plenty of room for relaxing, entertaining, or just kicking back after a long day on the water. The galley is open concept and fully equipped with top-tier appliances. We're talking sub-zero refrigerators, premium stone countertops, and stainless steel fixtures. There's ample storage and surface space to prepare anything from a quick snack to a multi-course dinner for guests and crew. Below deck, the GT65 can accommodate up to 4 staterooms and 3 heads, depending on the layout you choose. The master stateroom is full beam, giving it an expansive, almost residential feel. It includes a queen-sized berth, ensuite head, and plenty of storage space, all wrapped in fine woodwork and upscale materials. The other cabins are equally well appointed, offering flexibility for guests or family. Whether you're using the boat as a weekend getaway or a base for tournament fishing, the living quarters offer unmatched comfort for a yacht in this category. Now let's talk performance, because the GT65 Carolina is more than just a pretty face. With her twin Cat C32A diesel engines, this yacht cruises comfortably at speeds in the high 30s and can push past 40 knots at wide-open throttle depending on the load and conditions. That's incredible for a yacht of this size and weight. What really sets it apart is its ride quality. Thanks to the Hatteras-designed hull with deep forward entry and a refined running surface, the GT65 handles rough seas like a much larger vessel. You'll feel the confidence in every turn and the responsiveness at every throttle adjustment. It glides, it powers, it conquers, whether you're cutting through offshore swells or idling into port. The Seakeeper gyro stabilization system is available as an option, which eliminates nearly all of the side-to-side roll that can lead to fatigue or seasickness. It's a game changer for anyone spending long hours offshore, particularly in tournament conditions. So what really makes the GT65 Carolina stand out in a sea of luxury sport fishers? First, it's the marriage of form and function. You get hardcore fishing capability, live wells, fish boxes, mezzanine seating, tackle storage, without sacrificing luxury. Every square inch of this boat is usable, but it's also beautiful. Second, it's the build quality. Hatteras has been in the game for decades and it shows in the fit and finish. From the stainless hardware to the teak accents to the silent cabin closures, everything feels dialed in and over-engineered in the best way possible. Third, it's customizable. Hatteras allows for a significant amount of personalization during the build process. Whether you want specific woods, fabrics, layouts, or electronics, you can truly make the GT65 Carolina your own. It's a semi-custom yacht at a production scale. Finally, it's the reputation. When you own a Hatteras, you're part of a legacy. The brand stands for durability, luxury, and serious fishing pedigree. It holds its value, commands respect, and delivers on every promise it makes. So there you have it, the Hatteras GT65 Carolina. A boat that doesn't just check all the boxes, it rewrites the list. From power to luxury, from deep-sea capability to interior serenity, this yacht sets a new benchmark for what a sportfisher can be. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe to Boats Yacht for more walkthroughs, reviews, and behind-the-scenes looks at the world's finest vessels. Drop a comment below and let me know what yacht you want to see next. And if you've been aboard a GT65 or are thinking about it, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay sharp, stay seaworthy, and I'll see you on the next voyage.